Hi, I'm Caroline from MonaRx Beauty. This video is part of our step 2 and I'll be showing you exactly how to use our Cellulite massager from our 3-step anti-cellulite and stretch mark kit. This is our second step in our kit. Some of the benefits aside from helping reduce the appearance of cellulite are that it breaks up fat pockets, elevates circulation, stimulates your skin, drains excess fluids, releases trapped toxins, and promotes lymph flow and drainage. Keep in mind that this may not feel comfortable at first, especially if you have sensitive skin, but just keep going and the discomfort will slowly move away the more you massage. I personally love this part of our 3-step system. It makes me feel so good. I love the massaging effect. Now, really importantly, just make sure you adjust the amount of pressure to your comfort level. I will now demonstrate how to use the massager. As I mentioned, the best time to use the massager is after you dry brush. You can use it outside of the shower or while you shower. Apply your favorite massage oil, cream, or shower gel if massaging in the shower. Never massage on dry skin. Use this massager on cellulite prone areas, and I will demonstrate on my legs, and you can apply the same techniques to any other problem areas. Start massaging in any direction. You can do circular motions, figure 8 motions, zigzag, linear strokes, S motions, and apply as much pressure as you're comfortable with. You can also spot massage on more prominent areas, and here you can really dig in and do fast circular and asterisks motions. Reapply the oil, cream, or shower gel as you need, and massage 2 to 3 minutes per area. So that's how you use the massager. You have now prepped your body for the 3rd step, which is cupping. That'll be another video and the link will be available in the description below. I'm just going to share a little bit about some side effects that you may experience. Your skin may turn red. This is actually a good sign because it shows blood circulation. You may experience an itching sensation, and this is just simply caused by vascularity. This will subside just after a couple of minutes of use. You may also feel a warm sensation from the massager. Again, like step 1, this is a symptom of draining occurring and may just last a couple of hours after dry brushing and massaging. If you're sensitive, bruising may occur, but just carry on your treatment as normal. If you do find the bruising is painful, allow your skin to adapt by skipping a day or 2. Well, that's all I have for you with the massager. Make sure you go and check out our other videos, which will be in the links below. If you already have the MonaRx Beauty set, I hope that you're enjoying it. If you don't already, we'll leave the description link below so you can go get your own set yourself. I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Thank you so much for watching.